Alright, this is KJ. He's about to do the same thing, but he's trying to make it perfect so he can hurt himself, I guess. And I wanted to try, but he didn't let me, so my try. I'm going after him. Here we go. Are you alright? Oh, dude, you face planted it. Oh my god. Oh. KJ, are you good?
Let's go.
Come and record this.
Let's go.
Don't touch anything, it's still. Bro, I'm not even kidding, I'm dizzy. I'm not playing. Now it's Charles. If he can even get on the ball. Trust me, guys, he's a pro. With ball.
Shut up. I need to go down the steps. No.
Rolling.